Hello everyone, I am Nitika Bachawat and I am going to discuss a case study with you today. However, before I start with the case study, I have some important announcement to make to you. So, Yashas Academy, in collaboration with Unacademy, we are starting our CA Foundation batch for the May 22nd attempt. Yes, May 22 attempt. This batch will be starting on the 6th of October 2021. It is a 100% English batch and the batch will be a comprehensive batch. That is, we will not be discussing anything in the fast track manner, but as a regular batch, everything will be taught to you. Now, this batch starts on the 6th of October and you need to use the code YESHAS, YESHAS, to unlock this batch. So who will be teaching you? Obviously the top educators here will be teaching you, and they are, for accounts you have Mayur sir and Rajvardhan sir. For maths will be done by Anil Mishra sir. Economics will be taught to you by Shandar Ahmed sir. I am going to Nitika Bachawat. I am going to teach you law, and Pooja ma'am is going to teach you business correspondence. So what are you waiting for? Go to the Play Store, get the app, download it, select your option as CA Foundation and get the subscription. And you know what, at the price of one class you get to access every faculty's classes. You get to access every teacher's class at just the price of one class. So how do you get the subscription? For the iconic subscription for the foundation, we have 3, 6, 12 and 24 months. 6 months is generally not feasible because your exams are in the month of May. So though still for 6 months is 25,000, that is 4167 per month. For 12 months it is 35,000, that is 2917 per month, and for the 24 months it's 58,000, that is 2417 per month. Obviously we don't stop at the foundation level. We will obviously be moving on to the next level also. So if you want to take up both the foundation and inter, then the iconic subscription for both foundation and inter, we have 12 and 24 months. 12 months does not really serve the purpose, but still 12 months is for 49,500, that is 4125 per month, and the 24 months is 66,000, that is 2750 per month. This is obviously for the CA aspirants, foundation aspirant students. So what are the benefits that you get here? You get a one-to-one personal coaching, a one-to-one doubt solving session, evaluated test series, printed books, industry sessions, industry expert sessions, and Discord. You have live classes, weekly tests, study materials. You have unlimited, this is one very good thing, you have unlimited access to view the classes. You can view the classes as many times as you want, not 1, not 2, not 3, n number of times, and a structured course. It is not, everything will be done in a very structured manner. You will have proper timetables, that today is this class for you, tomorrow is that class, in a proper structured manner. So you get to discuss your doubts, clarify your doubts that you have, enhance your study strategies, experience personalized learning, and get customized study plans. Yes, because no two people can be the same. Now these evaluated test series that we have for the that is in addition to the iconic subscription, you get 3 test series here, where first is 40% syllabus coverage, second is 80% syllabus coverage, and the third one is 100% syllabus coverage. You also will have a analysis of the question paper in the class, plus also a personal guidance as to what went wrong in your paper or what was not up to the mark in your paper. Now we have another very special announcement to make, and this is just for today. It was a 3 days offer. Today is the last day for the same. Generally using the code YESHAS you get a 10% discount, but for today there is a special 15 and 20% discount. So if you avail, as I said, it was for 3 days, today is the last day. So if you want to take up the subscription, then why not now? Because you are getting a huge discount. How? If you are taking the CA Foundation Plus course for 6 months, earlier you had to pay 12,000, but today you only pay 10,260, which gives you a discount of 1,740. 12 months instead of 16,000 you pay 12,960, you get a discount of 3,040. 24 months instead of 22,000 it is 17,820, you get a discount of 4,180. If you are taking up the CA Foundation Iconic course, for that, for 6 months, instead of 25,000, you pay 21375, you get a discount of 3625. For 12 months, instead of 35,000, you pay 28,350, you get a discount of 6650. And for the 24 months, instead of 58,000, you pay 46,980, you get a discount of 11,020 rupees. So you get this discount if you use the code YESHAS, but it is just for today. So if you want to take up, if you are planning to take up the subscription, do not delay, go for it today itself. Now moving on to our case study that we are going to discuss today. This case study is from the chapter Sale of Goods Act. An institute has quite a love towards this case study, has asked this case study in the exam for 2 or 3 times. So let us discuss what the case is about. Mr. Das, a general store owner, went to purchase 200 kgs of basmati rice of specific length from a wholesaler. He saw samples of rice and agreed to buy the one for which the price was quoted at rupees 150 per kg. So this is sale by sample. While examining the sample, Mr. Das failed to notice that the rice contained a mix of long and short grain of rice. The wholesaler supplied the required quantity exactly the same as shown in the sample. So he got the goods exactly the same as was the sample. However, when Mr. Das sold the rice to one of the regular customers, she complained that the rice contained 2 different quantities of rice and returned the rice. Now, when the sale is made by sample, 3 conditions have to be fulfilled. Implied condition as to sale by sample, 3 conditions have to be fulfilled. First, the sample must be described, the bulk of the goods must correspond to the sample. So the bulk that I receive should be just as per the sample. Second, the buyer must be given an opportunity to examine the goods. That is, before he accepts the bulk, he should be given a chance to examine the goods. And third, the goods must not have any hidden defect which makes them unmerchantable. Latent defect which makes them unmerchantable. Here, it is very clearly mentioned that the goods were exactly the same as sample. And also that Mr. Das failed to examine that the sample was mixed, different grains of rice was mixed. So with reference to the provisions of the sale of, discuss the options open to Mr. Das for grievance redressal. Can we say he has no remedies? Can we say it was the fault of Mr. Das that he was negligent while buying the goods, right? It was the fault of Mr. Das, he was negligent while buying the goods. So since he was negligent while buying the goods, he will have no remedies against the seller, right? Because all the conditions of sale by sample has been fulfilled. So he will have no remedies against the seller. Now, what would be the answer in case Mr. Das specified his exact requirement as to the length of the rice? Now, this is another condition which is sale as to quality and condition as to quality and fitness for the specific purpose of the buyer. Now what happens is, while buying the goods, if the buyer specifies the reason of his purchase to the seller, that is, he specifies the kind of goods that he is looking for. Second, depends upon the seller's skill and judgment. So he lets the seller only select the goods for him. He does not interfere with the seller's selection, but he lets the seller only select the goods for him. And the seller deals in those goods. That is, the seller is a dealer of those kind of goods. So if these 3 conditions are fulfilled, it is implied that the seller will only supply those goods which suit the buyer's purpose. Otherwise, the buyer can return the goods back. Now, if Mr. Das specifies to the seller the kind of goods that he is looking for, if he specifies the particular length of rice that he is looking for, then it is the duty of the seller to only supply him those kind of rice or that specific rice. Then if the seller does not specify those rights, can we say Mr. Das can return the goods back? Yes. And why he can return the goods back? Because he specified to the seller the kind of goods that he is looking for. And since he specified the length of the rice, if the rice is not of the same length, he in that case can obviously return the goods back. I hope it's clear to all of you. I hope this video helped. Thank you so much. Happy learning and stay motivated.